Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's How to Automate Affiliate Marketing in 2023 video, I'd like to share with you three strategies that you can use to automate your leads and commissions. And what I really like about these three strategies is that you can leverage all of them together to automate your affiliate marketing business. I learned all these as a proven system by 6 and 7 figure earners, and they still work today. And I'm going to put all the free tools and the training links in the description for all of these tools and training and platforms that I've been using as well. And first one I'm going to go into is YouTube. And YouTube is what they call published content within the industry. So it's a great way to automate your online business, because once you create a YouTube video, it goes out not just onto YouTube, but it also goes out into the search engines. And I'm live here in my YouTube account. Just want to show you some analytics here and show you how YouTube works. So what they do is they give you the views. This is over the last 30 days, and it never started out this way for me. I started out, I wasn't getting any views. I wasn't really getting subscribers or likes. So I'll just come to a tool shortly that I found that helps me build my YouTube channel. But one of the stats here that's really important is this one here, the watch time. So once you can learn how to and I'm going to show you a tool how you can use to do this. Once you learn how to get your videos seen, then the automation really kicks in. And the beauty of YouTube is that once you start to become more successful, and if you're consistent with your uploading, then the algorithm, the way YouTube works, is they will promote your channel and your videos and your content to a larger audience. And this number here, 414 hours of watch time, if you're looking to build a YouTube channel and you're looking to become a partner and earn an income from YouTube, then you need 330 hours a month over every single month for a year. So you need 4,000 hours over 1 year if you're looking to become a creator. And also on the right here, you'll see subscribers. I've got over 1,000 subscribers, and that's another fundamental, another qualification that you need to become a YouTube partner. But the great thing also about YouTube is it's a second highest search engine. So people are going to be searching for your content on the second highest search engine. And another thing that I like about YouTube is that if we go into Google here, I'm going to put in here one page funnel review, which is a recent offer I'm promoting. Because Google own YouTube, Google will promote you within Google. And you'll see here that this video of mine is number one in the search engine listings. This is the key position to be in. You want to be in the top 2 or 3 videos promoting your content here. And even now, Google are promoting YouTube videos above the majority of website listings. This is above the fold. If I scroll down here, you'll come to all the website listings. It's on page 1 here. So Google are very proactive in promoting your content, your YouTube content on their site. Even under the images here, you'll see that this is a video. It's under images, but it's a video, that one of my videos they're promoting here. And so the tool that I use to be able to do that is called TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy is a free tool, and TubeBuddy is approved by YouTube. There's about 3 million YouTube creators that are using this free tool. And when I wasn't getting any views or subscribers or likes, when nobody was seeing my content, I looked for a solution, and TubeBuddy was a solution that I found, and it's really been a great asset to me building my YouTube channel. If you go onto my channel, I've just recently done today uploaded a video how to rank #1 on Google, and I've done more of an in-depth video there on TubeBuddy and how that works. So it includes a tutorial as well, how simple and easy it is to use, even if you're a beginner. So the second strategy to automate your affiliate marketing business is an autoresponder follow-up sequence. And I use Leeds Leap. The reason I use Leeds Leap is because you get unlimited subscribers for one price. No matter how many subscribers you get, it's just completely unlimited. And as great as the other autoresponders are, we're not here to knock any other autoresponders or pull them down. But with other autoresponders, the majority of them, the more subscribers you get on your list, the monthly price goes up. So this is one reason why I started using Leeds Leap. And then what you can do with your autoresponder sequence, you'll see I've got this one here. You'll see that the deliverability is great. The emails are getting opened. So what that shows to me is that the emails are going into the inbox rather than the spam and the promotions. And you get click-throughs as well if you give good value. And I always set up at least 7 days in a row an autoresponder sequence, because prospects like to see the affiliate marketing rule of 7 is that people have to see an offer sometimes up to 7 times before they take action. And then what you can do is, by leveraging this, you can also put your YouTube videos that you've created on your channel. These videos here that you create, you can put those into your autoresponder sequence, so you can leverage that content there. And if you're a pro member at Leeds Leap, you get this feature down here that's called YouTube to broadcast. So another great way to automate your business is you set up your YouTube to broadcast, and every time you upload a new YouTube video, then that's going to go out to your list. So it's another great feature on Leeds Leap you can use, again, to automate your business. And the next one is this one here, which is more published content, and it's creating a blog. Now, it's important to know that I didn't start doing all this straight away. I focused on my YouTube channel. I started to learn how to create YouTube videos. Then I started to build a list. And after that, I started to create this blog. So you don't have to do everything now. I recommend you start focusing on maybe one or two of these systems, and then add a third one when you become a bit more familiar, and you can speed up the process. But the beautiful thing and the great thing about blogs is, again, the search engines pick up this content, and by leveraging, you can start to you'll see in my blog posts here, I'm putting my YouTube videos that I personally created. I've used another one there from the owner of Prosperity Marketing System, but the majority of the videos that you'll see in my blog post are ones that I've created myself. So you're starting to leverage your content here. You can use images. You start to do detailed blog posts, but each of these within all my blog posts, I do tend to use my own videos, and that way, that's how you start to get, if we go back into this page here, that's how you start to get more views. It's how you start to get more subscribers, and it's how you start to get more likes. And it's how you build a YouTube channel faster, is by integrating and leveraging all of these components together. And with the blog, I started out, I learned how to do that blog with Wealthy Affiliate. And Wealthy Affiliate gives you a free training in here. It's free to join. It's been around for 18 years. You're going to get 7 and 8 figure earner training here. And this is the getting started on level 1 here. They do video tutorials, text tutorials, image tutorials on how to get everything set up. So Wealthy Affiliate is the platform that I used to set my blog up, and how to use WordPress, because WordPress is the platform that ranks the highest within the search engine. And if you're not familiar with Wealthy Affiliate, there'll be a link in the description. You can create a free account here, and it says here, what I like about it: regardless of your experience, knowledge, or budget, we have the perfect training for you to follow. So it's great for beginners, intermediates, and advanced marketers. And you come down here and you'll see it's been around here for 18 years. So there's some great value. I recommend you just set up a free account and then go into your back office here, go onto this home page and have a really good look round at what Wealthy Affiliate has to offer. Even with the free membership, got some great training and great, you can interact with other members, and great support and training. Absolutely superb platform that you can use. And again, just going back to Leeds Leap here to automate even further, if I go back into Leeds Leap here, they've even got a blog to broadcast feature. So every time you create a blog post, that can, with Leeds Leap, can be automatically go out to your list. So again, you're automating your blog posts and leveraging everything together. So those are the 3 strategies that I personally use, because I do get quite a few questions about traffic and strategy and leads and commissions. So I wanted to do this video just to sort of put everything together and show you what I do and what I've learned from other 6 and 7 figure earners. I just followed what they've done and learned how to do it myself with all the free training. I forgot to show you this here, which is the Leeds Leap training course. So if you click the link in the description to join Leeds Leap, then we give you access to this training course here. And this training course is an in-depth video tutorials on how to use every single feature within the menu of Leeds Leap. So we've done that to teach you how to use Leeds Leap correctly, how to get the most from the platform. There are some side-by-side tutorials within Leeds Leap. They've done some great work with those, but if you're like me and you like to learn through video, then this Leeds Leap training course will serve you well and teach you how to become successful with Leeds Leap. And you can use Leeds Leap to build any online business, and you can also get great traffic, internal and external traffic, with that platform as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you think of anybody who'll get value from this video, please share it as well. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and there's now over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about anything I've covered in the video today, please leave those questions in the comments. I'll answer all your questions. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So all the links will be in the description there. So there'll be TubeBuddy, how to join Leeds Leap and get access to this free video training here. A link to join, set up a free account with Wealthy Affiliate. Everything's in there for you if you want to join those and have a good look around and see if they're going to help you build your affiliate marketing business, and more importantly, automate it as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.